2017 Roadglide Special. We'll start up front. To come up front, I have the 12-inch Pro Touring windshield with the matching trim from Clockworks. And I have the custom dipped Memphis Shades hand guards from my wife. My wife did that. Then if we go down to the bottom, I have the color matched Advent black hard lowers, as well as the gas tank centerpiece. And I also have the Advent black seat, which has memory foam and gel, and I have the matching backrest for the trunk. And I also have the liners in the saddlebags and in the trunk. Orange stitching all around here. Then I have the Screaming Eagle intake. This is also a 107. And I have the tap exhaust with zombie baffles that was converted into 2-into-1 exhaust. We'll come over here and we'll show them the back of it. Turn my lights on. And I have all custom dynamic lighting on the trunk, on the sides of the tour pack, and on the front bumpers. I have the orange spark plug wire pack. I have a stage 2 zippers 468 cam, the redshift cam. Traction supply bars and risers, 6.5 inch. And then I have the rear shift peg from Traction Supply as well. And these are from Amazon, bag guards. What else did we do? We did heated Harley grips. These are come stock on the limited models. My daughter's scooter out of the way. We can show you the rear leaded suspension with the cartridges mounted underneath, so you can turn it with a dial to your comfort zone. And I have the drop-in cartridges that are also wedges in the front. We've got a nice chip here you earn with 50,000 miles. Do a cold start. Also, I have the 2019 Boombox GPS that was also done by Sounds and Service. Everything's covered in salt, so hopefully we can get up the mountain soon and get back on 2 wheels. Make sure you like and subscribe and stay up to date with our new videos. We're going to be traveling a lot this year and checking out new restaurants and waterfalls and all that good stuff.